congratulate Gargi Balasubramaniam, Akhil Noori and Gunjan Chablani for their excellent academic performance. As you know, we do not announce a rank list because we treat all our students as best students. They go out of BITS, they become men and women. But having said that, BITS always continued one tradition. That is, if in the batch of, let us say, 1,500, 2,000 students, if you reach the top, there should some way of saying, well done. So that is in these 3 medals. We don't give a rank list for departments. So in this batch, these 3 persons top the list. So they set an example by their academic performance. What is more interesting is to hear from the teachers that they are not just bookworms, just crack the CGPA. Each one of you come with that talent, and BITS as a philosophy looks at holistic development of a person, and that's what possibly you imbibe. That's where you will grow. This is not an occasion just for you to feel proud, as your teachers express their sentiments. We are equally proud, and certainly your parents, grandparents, friends, they all will be equally proud. I wish once again all the best.
Since Gargi is what one would call an ideal student, something that teachers have often been debating upon.
Always there to understand new things. She's also ready to change her opinions about things. She would ask questions and not just emphasize what she already knows. Takes every course, I think, very seriously and delivers, and I think that sort of says through what we look if we look at her CGPA.
I knew him when he was a TA in 2 of my courses. What is amazing is first of all, his breadth in the subject is terrific. He has the knack of connecting with his juniors. What I didn't know and which I saw pleasantly was that he's very popular among his batchmates and among his juniors. So, I mean, it all reflects well on a perfect gentleman that he is.
Gunjan is, I think, the most soft-spoken person that you can ever see. When he came to me asking, whether I'll be the on-campus guide for his thesis, it was almost like, he couldn't enter the door. It was like so soft-spoken, so nice, well-mannered.
It was a programming contest where she has to demo her thing, her research. And all of her efforts in that were there in that machine. And that machine just crashed, I think, a few days before the conference. And I mean, other normal person would have panicked a lot. But she still went through all of that. She went to San Diego, which was, I think, a lot of distance, almost on the other side of the globe. And she got a new machine. She transferred whatever she knew onto that machine, installed things, went there, and she won the competition. So that says a lot more about other side of the life also. Whatever life throws at her, she's just ready to take it and make the best of it.
Very balanced, Just the fact that her mind is so open. And the first time I met her, I think it was in the context of Shrutilaya. And she's a lovely singer and a beautiful dancer too. No surprises there.
So it is amazing. It goes a lot to say about, the kind of students that we have here is that they're all-rounders in all respects. And I'm really glad that they've made it to the top, and I'm glad that our institute is able to honor them, not only for their academic achievements, but overall because we have created fantastic individuals who will. One thing I would definitely say is we have a lot of hope. We have a lot of expectations from you. So please continue with this. Keep the flag flying high. You're a Bitsian. Always remember that. That comes first before everything else. May all your dreams come true. And again, congrats once again, Gargi, Akhil, and Gunjan.
In one sentence, I would like to say that BITS has really nurtured me, because I have had such a well-rounded experience right from my academics to my extracurriculars, like being part of MUSOC and Shrutilaya, to my co-curriculars as well, like being part of hackathons.
I was a person who has been in his own shell till high school. Like, I wasn't much of a speaker. I didn't even talk to a lot of people in the for the first whole month. What BITS has given me is it has helped me come out of this shell.
BITS, I think the take-home point for me about BITS is that there is so much that the college offers. It's a lot. Like when you walk in through the gates in first year, there's so many things that hit you, and you get to choose your own path. Sort of through all of that chaos, you do get to choose, and you get to figure out what you want to do. I'm very happy that I was able to dance, I was able to play ultimate frisbee, and I was able to do origami in Kala for all 4 years that I was there. So I'm very happy that I stuck through all of that, and you get to choose that. I think a lot of people don't realize that you get to choose. But I think what BITS has really taught me is you just need to show up, and you need to show up consistently. And this is personal, at least for me. If you show up consistently and you show up till the end, then you automatically see where that can take you. I think that's my biggest takeaway from this.
She's been interacting with me, sharing with me through the 4 years, all her ups and downs and lows and high points. And I actually just, if I have to say in a few words, I think there are three really important, three main points that I feel are the hallmark of BITS. And I'm really glad that, our child happened to be a student here. So the first thing I notice is the support of the faculty for all activities, not only just the curricular, but the co-curricular, extracurricular. So if a student I notice takes a step, but the next, they're all, as Professor Raghurama said, they've actually been enablers. The second thing which I noticed is that there is a lot of synergy among all students. There is a positive give and take. So, one thing, like she was part of the music society, and she would often tell me when they would put up a program for a performance, so how the arrangements of various musical instruments, how they learned so much. She learned about different instruments, about putting together, the compositions to. So it was a very enriching experience for her, like musically. And then when she's been applying to various scholarships and internships, so she got so much support from her seniors, even her colleagues, So that was something that was really. And the third thing, which is the gender neutrality, is a genuine gender neutrality at BITS. I really cannot say more than that.
And moreover, the strictness of the night coming out, night shift, that 10:30 gate system, that has been very much appreciating, and that gives a very good control to the children, because the parents are very much afraid when they send the children to Goa. So that has helped us very lot.
Besides just academics, I think Goa offered him opportunities to pursue his other interests. He's always been somebody who's wanted to do other things besides just being a bookworm. Then we came in 2016 to drop him at Goa. There was a thought at the back of the mind that, Goa, the association with partying and beaches and all that, how is that going to play out? But then I think everything, fit right away, and the kids have done a great job, and they've proven that if you stick to the basics, if you continue to do what you've actually gone there to do, the results will speak for themselves.
I think overall, all the professors that I have met and I have interacted with have motivated me to do better and have provided me with a sense of security at BITS. I would like to thank the institute, Professor Raghurama, and the policies of the institute that have helped me make my own choices, just like Akhil said, make my own choices, help me decide what I want to do and how I want to do it, and according to what schedule do I want to do things.
My deepest gratitude for BITS Pilani Goa. Thank you to all the professors and the faculty members for always being there, being supportive for every initiative that I undertook. As I graduate, I'm so proud to be a BITSian, and
I hope to make every BITSian proud someday, and every professor that I've interacted with, every professor that knows me, I hope to make them really proud.